Hey guys, giving you a couple of tips on what to do with a theraband at home. It's pretty easy to do some simple exercises. I'm going to show you how to do a squat and a stiff-legged raise. And so many times people think they need a lot of equipment. I have my little home gym here, but even if you don't have all this, you can use a theraband from anywhere like a Walmart. And so this is an intermediate resistance blue. You can choose a less or more, whatever you want to do. Thing is just to get actively moving every day and choosing 2 or 3 exercises a day to do some resistance exercise. So here we're doing a squat demonstration. And so what you want to do is you want to put the same width apart on the band here with your band underneath your shoes. And here you're going to be putting the handles right beside your shoulders. And then the key thing here is to just sit down, like if you're going to be sitting down on a chair. And so not moving your back any, but you're actually putting your butt towards like a seat. And so you're going to squat down and then as deep as you can, come back up. If you can squat all the way down, then go for it. Just wherever you're comfortable with at first. Squat down, and then the resistance of the band gives you enough resistance to be able to strengthen your legs. And again, 10 to 12 reps. About 3 to 4 sets would be a great way to start. And so you do that, and let's say it's 10 to 12 reps just for demo purposes. The next exercise that you would move into would be a stiff-legged raise. So here, this resistance is going to be behind you. You hinge at your hips. Your back is straight. You're coming all the way down and then slowly squeezing your glutes and coming back down. And then you're doing this again, 10 to 12 repetitions. And you're going to do this again for 3 to 4 sets. So after you finish 10 to 12 reps, you go back to the second set of your squats. So you can rest about 30 seconds to a minute and then get right to it. And so again, squatting, and you can change the resistance in the band if you want to, or whatever you want to do with your feet. You can widen your legs, making it a little bit harder. So you do that again, 10 to 12 reps, and then move on to your stiff-legged for 10 to 12 repetitions. So I think that the biggest thing is just getting started. Sometimes people make it too hard. It's just about getting it done. I think even if you just spend 10 to 15 minutes in your garage doing a couple of exercises, get the routine down. Routine consistency is the key thing. So no matter what, don't make an excuse. Make it happen this week. Dr. Rosie Main. If you have any questions, post it here. Call me, whatever you want to do. I'm here for you. We want to help you, and just just start changing. Your life matters. You matter, and you matter to God. So thank you for listening, and share, like this page, and also continue to do it for a bigger purpose, which is you, yourself. But most importantly, God needs you, and He needs you to go be with Him. So keep at it. Bye-bye.